C combines the best features of high-level languages with the speed and control of low-level language. It can be used to do system programming for writing operating systems as well as application programming. For this reason, C is sometimes called a middle-level language. As a middle-level language, C allows the programmers to access memory and CPU registers. At the same time, C code is very portable, meaning it is easy to adapt software written for one type of computer or operating system to another type. For example, you can easily convert a C program written for Windows and run on Mac or Linux. Some examples of different types of languages are high level, Python, Visual Basic, PHP, C#. Middle level, C, C++, Java. Low level, assembly language. In the next video, we will talk about why C is called a structured language. See you then.